Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to this other video on the THM Advent of Cyber 2024. Today's day 6, and yeah, as usual, try to keep it under 1 hour, and let's go. First thing first, let's see what we need to start today. We need a VM, we need a split screen, and SSH. Okay, start the machine. We are going to also AOC. I forgot to do this. My bad. Move day 5 into completed. And we're going to create a new directory. This will be day 6 and change directory to day 6. Clear the screen. And sudo, I think that's where I stored. Yep, cool. VPN is up, terminal is up. Let's go. What do we have here today? Day 6. If I can't find a nice malware to use, I am not going. Can I close this? I want a split screen. I just want to be able to see stuff. Start machine. Okay, cool. Man, what is happening? Ah, what happens if I exit the split screen? I don't know. We're gonna figure that out. Who's this creator? I don't know them. Okay. But it doesn't matter because we never pay attention to whoever is doing the run up. Mayor Malware was scheming, quite full of delight, to ruin Sockmass was frightened Sock's team and frightened Sock's teams, okay? But Glitch and Mike Skiddy had spoiled his plan by uncovering secrets that exposed the man. Oh, that's a nice rhyme. Mayor Malware slammed his hand on the table, his eyes narrowing as the report flashed on his screen. Glitch and Mice Kitty had uncovered his trail. He took a deep breath, calming himself. No matter, he muttered, a sinister grin forming. They may have found me, but haven't stopped me. His confidence stemmed from the malware he had crafted, so devious and advanced that it will easily evade detection. But before unleashing it to wreak havoc on SOC teams and ruin SOC mass, there was one final step. He needed to test it in a sandbox. Oh, this is new territory for me. I don't think I've done this before. Analyze malware behavior using sandbox tool. I'm familiar with Yara. Okay, learn about various malware evasion techniques. Sure, implement evasion techniques to bypass. Okay, we got that, we got that. What is my target? These are my credentials for today. We are going to bash and target, right there. Cool. I don't even know how to name this. What is this? Malware. We're probably gonna have to do some virus total or something like that. Malware. All right, let's do this. So we got it. We got it. Detecting sandboxes. A sandbox is an isolated environment where malicious code is executed without affecting anything outside the system. A little bit like our VM. Often, multiple tools are installed to monitor, record, and analyze the code's behavior. Mayor malware knows that before his malware executes, it needs to check if it's running in a sandbox environment. If it is, then it should not continue with its malicious activity. To do so, he has settled on one technique, which checks if the directory is present by querying the registry path. The value can be confirmed by visiting the registry path within the registry editor. Yeah, I am not comfy with none of these things. Absolutely not. But we're going to figure that out. That's what this whole thing is about. Um, see program files. Okay, cool, cool, cool. Great. To open the windows. Oh, I assume that we have to. Okay, we have to connect to the machine. So we RDP. All right. X3 RDP slash U is administrator slash P is, I don't want to write this. Oh, I have to escape a lot of things. Shoot. Um, hmm. Okay, that's fine. So we're gonna copy this, paste it there. Who do I need to escape? You, probably. Maybe you. Are you a special sign in Bash? I don't know. I'll figure that out. I can also just not provide a password there and just enter it when prompted. How about that? This is gonna be V. This is the machine. V is the machine. We're gonna put it there. I need a size of 80%. What am I missing in this connect? I don't know. We're gonna find out. Boom, boom, boom. Put it there. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What did I miss? What did I do? It's slash U slash V. Okay, size. This is a size. That's the issue. It's a forward slash. Yes. I need a password. Blah, blah, blah. Paste it there. Come on, let me in. Cool. We got it. Okay, so we got there. We got that. To open the Windows registry. So we need to open the Windows registry. Copy. I'm gonna paste you here. So navigate to start menu, select to run. What do you mean? Start menu on the bottom, select run. Oh, okay, enter reg, whatever. Oh, this is a nice screensaver. Okay. What are we supposed to enter here? Run? All right, make it make sense. To the start menu at the bottom, select run. Does anybody see his run here? I don't see run. Where's run? Where the heck is run? UVS, yeah, I don't see R here. There's no R. Uh, don't. 7 minutes already. It just started. Jeez. Uh, if I just run. Yeah. Is it you? Yep. Okay, cool. I'm not familiar. I'm getting familiar with some parts of Windows, but not all of them. Okay. All right. This directory is often absent on sandboxes or other virtual environment, which could indicate we are running in a sandbox. All right. Cool. Okay. Here's what it looks like in the C programming. Constant. So defining a variable. I have no idea what command 512 is. Prepare the command string for reg.exe. Int result. If result equals 0, register query else. Okay. Int main. Oh, I don't understand. I assume that is defining a variable. What is that char? It looks like, oh, probably taking an input here. Right there. Probably int result, system command. Run the command. Yeah. Okay. All right. Don't worry. You don't have to understand. Thank you. I tried. All you need to know is that this function is designed to check the system registry for a specified directory path. This path presence or absence helps malware determine whether it's running in a typical or virtualized environment like a sandbox. Can Yara do it? Mayor Malware knows that Mike Skitty is a big fan of Yara rule. Yara is a tool used to identify and classify malware based on patterns in its code. By writing custom rules, an analyst can define specific character to look for, such as particular strings, file headers, or behavior, and Yara will scan files or process to find will scan file processes to find matches, making it invaluable for detecting malicious code. Mayor Malware does not think such a simple tool can detect his malware, but just to be sure, he has to test it out himself. To do this, he wrote a small script that executes a Yara detection rule every time a new event is added to the system monitor log. This particular Yara rule detects any command that tries to access the registry. Rule, that's a rule name. Meta does a description, author, blah, blah, blah. Strings is probably a command. No case, what is no case? Condition, command. Okay. In the string section, we have defined variable that include the values to look out for, which is a command. In the condition section, we define when the rule will match the scan file. In this case, if any of the specified strings are present. What does the no case means? I don't know. For his testing, Mayor Malware has set up a one function script that runs the error rule and logs a true positive in C. Okay, so we need that. Yeah, I just copy everything that I find that I'm not familiar with or that could be interesting. Open up a PowerShell directory and use the following command to start the EDR. What is EDR stand? Just, oh, okay, we need to go C tools, jingle bells. Okay, C tools, jingle bells. Copy that. We just want to go there. PS tools, so we need to go here. Boom. Are we running it as administrator or as a regular? I don't know. I'm just gonna run as elevated as possible. Right there. CDC tools. What is inside? Okay, so we want to run jingle bells. The PS1. Oh. Oh. All right. Why don't I have the same result as you do? Okay. It would alert you if it finds any activity that indicates the registry mentions above keys being queried. No, run the malware by navigating to C tools and double clicking on Merry Christmas. If our custom script did its job, you should have witnessed a pop-up by your EDR with a flag included as shown below. This will be the answer to question 1. You can now exit the custom EDR by pressing Control C. All right, so we gotta go to C tools, malware, and I'm just gonna have a new PowerShell command here. Yeah, I just love tabs. This is weird. I just have a thing for tabs. I just like having everything out there in the wild. So we are seeding CD2s. And we're gonna clear this because this is PowerShell. What was that? Merry Christmas? Oh, malware. I have to change to malware. Yep. And then we're gonna run Merry Christmas. You ran. So what are you supposed to do? Okay. All right. Generate it. So I'm supposed to find a flag here. Where are you, little flag? Uh, okay. Mm. Two. Was there a different name for the flag? Let me see. Right there. command line with a flag included. Where is the flag? Okay, what is that question one about? What is the flag displayed in the... I didn't have a pop-up. Did I have a pop-up? I didn't have a pop-up. What do you mean there was a pop-up? Yeah, I didn't have a pop-up. Is it you? No. So where's my pop-up? I don't have a pop-up. Uh-oh, what is going on? Cool, right there. Now it's showing up. Come on. So it's THM. I can't copy. GLITCH was here. Let's verify that that's the correct flag before I close anything. Boom, boom, boom. Paste it here. Nope. Okay. Right there. Cool. All right. So we got the flag. 16 minutes. Note, if hover over the PowerShell item in the task bag, it should show the pop-up that was generated. Well, it didn't show and I didn't do that, but I still got the flag. That's fine. Adding more evasion techniques. It seems that Yara can detect the evasion technique that Mayo malware has added. No worries, because we can make our malware even stealthier, still, like not moving, undetectable, by introducing obfuscation. Obfuscation is hiding your true intention or your true code behind some form of encoding, either base64, usually base64. Yeah, but it depends on the language supported by the target. We are going to do that. So we are encoding the command. Okay. We're gonna need this. I assume we're gonna need that. Copy. Boom, paste it there. Does anybody knows if, I don't know, is it space sensitive like Python? See? We'll find out. Code explanation. The above code does the same thing. Okay. The only difference is that the query is now encoded using base64 and the code uses PowerShell to execute the query. Where did you get the PowerShell? Oh, right there. Okay. The encoded string can be checked by decoding, using a tool below, which is get item property path name program files. Okay. Beware of flaws. While obfuscating is helpful, we also need to know that there are tools available that extract obfuscated strings from malware binary. One such tool is Floss, a powerful tool developed by Mandiant that functions similarly to the Linux strings tool but is optimized for malware analysis, making it ideal for revealing any concealed details. To try out Floss, open a PowerShell window and enter the following command. So we're going to go here, copy that. Paste it there. Why am I copying freaking everything? Just need you. So copy that. Oh, up to 2 minutes. We don't want that. We don't want that. Okay. Out file. So saving it into tools, malware string. So it's analyzing Christmas.exe. Oh, was I supposed to create that with the base64? I assume so. Or was it already encoded? Okay. Beware of flaws. right? Floss, execute the command scan for strings. If any hard-coded variables were defined in the malware, floss should find them. Pipe symbol, yep, redirect to output, and saving it into malware string. Once the command is done, open, press Control F, and search for the string mayor. Enter the flag to question 2. The format of the string is THM. All right, so are we done here? So this should be okay, right? I should be good with this one. How do I get away from you? Control C, Command C, clear that. And so if we type C, oh, we already in C. Never mind. Type mouth strings. What the? I don't want to type it, so I want to open it. I want to go into the folder itself. So local disk, C tools, mouth string, and we want to search for. Oh, somebody already did this. Come on now. Do better. Copy. Cancel. So technically, I don't need to do anything else. Technically, I meet my my less than 40 minutes. So technically, I should log out. But because I want to know, I got to finish it. Yeah, this challenge is completed. Looking at Riata rules and learning about a new tool, Floss, to extract strings from malware. Okay, awesome. 1, 2, 3. Using Riata rule. The other rules are becoming a pain. Okay, I guess anybody can read the remainder of this without needing me to go through that, right? I don't have to read it. Unless I find something in there that could be interesting for the side quest. And yeah, everybody can do that on their own time. Yeah, that was it for day 6. Pretty short, pretty sweet, nice. I'm gonna, for once, I'll have a video under 30 minutes, actually. Less than 25. That's great. I'll be out of town for the next week or so. I would try to upload. I would try to do the challenge. I'm not sure how good my internet connection will be, but I would do my best to honor the promise I made to myself to complete the 24 days within the time period, not waiting until December 31st. So if my sound is awful for the next week or the next videos, you will know exactly why. Until then, really, really take care of yourself, stay healthy, and I'll talk to you later. Bye bye.